And now, our weekly message from the Nebraska College of Technical Agriculture in Curtis.
Hello friends, this is Jasper Hunt, a diversified ag and agribusiness major from St. Francis, Kansas, entering my final month as an Aggie. Looking back on my 3 years here in Curtis, I can't believe all that I have learned and experienced. The small classes are great for developing relationships with my peers and instructors. Field trips to ag industry events and university resources have given me even more expertise and built a strong network in a short time. This summer, I will be interning with Ag Valley Co-op in Maywood. I will continue my education as one of the first students in the Ag Business Transfer Program with UNK. I plan to get my bachelor's degree in business management. I sincerely appreciate Nebraska supporting this public college dedicated to agriculture located in a small town. It helps students gain leadership experiences to better serve their communities. I have served as a student ambassador, giving tours, and on the recruiting team engaging with the statewide extension Connecting the Dots activity in high schools. As a resident assistant, I have been responsible for helping new students transition to college, which has been a memorable part of college for me. I feel really well prepared to return home to start my own farm and ranch operation. High school students, here in our agricultural part of the country, NCTA is a great choice, and with open enrollment, there's plenty of time to enroll for fall 2024. I'd love to give you a tour, so call 1-800-3-CURTIS or find us online at ncta.unl.edu. Again, this is Jasper Hunt, ready to celebrate with my fellow Aggies in the class of 24. Congrats everyone, and go Aggies.
Students.
One thing I'd say to incoming freshmen is take it day by day. I mean, there's a lot of stuff happening pretty fast, so just take it day by day, take what comes and deal with it the best you can, and just keep going on. That's the best thing you can do.
Thank you guys.
Yep.